How to register for Amazon Affiliate Program. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to register for Amazon Affiliate Program. This video tutorial will be a screen captured tutorial for your best understanding. Without further ado, let's get started. This will be the first page you see after entering the address. Click on the Join Now for Free button to continue. After you've clicked on the Join Now button, you'll navigate to the page as shown. Enter the required details and hit Enter. If you're an Amazon returning customer, just type in your password and continue. And for those of you who are new customers, just enter your email or mobile number and hit Enter. That'll do it. This is the page for new customers to set up your password. Click on Create Account and Continue. And then you will reach this page to enter the required details. Fill in the details and hit on the Next button. On this page, you will be required to enter your websites and mobile apps, URL or URLs. You are able to enter several websites as long as they are legitimate, and it is okay if you do not have any mobile apps or URLs. You will still be able to continue by pressing Enter after filling in your website. And now you will be navigated to the Profile page to enter your store ID and some description of your websites. In this page, you will be able to choose your niche of your store. After setting up everything, click on the Next button to continue. And here comes the identity verification. Enter your phone number and click Call Me Now button. You will receive an auto-reply call which will direct you to enter the PIN on your computer screen to the keypad of your phone. After you're finished entering the PIN, your page will automatically jump to the page as shown. Click on the Finish button to continue. Now you'll get your unique associate ID, and you'll have the option to enter your payment and tax information now or later. Click on the Later button to instantly see what your store looks like. This will be your home page, and if you haven't entered your payment and tax information, there will always be a notice to remind you to do so.